coated, and the patangi wood shavings. You can see the colors.
Yes.
So the pigments we're getting from that patangi tree. So that's the first color, but if you use more the wood shavings, it's getting more darker. And this is a piece of iron and lime, which has citric acid. And if you apply citric acid to any the metal items, it's easy to clean. And it's called iron oxidization. It's a chemical reaction actually, but it happens because of that patangi tree. Not any other woods we can make those colors. So
that is really crazy. Yeah.
That's crazy.
it's purple. But if I keep doing this, it's getting more darker than darker. That's how we make the different shadings. Yeah.
That's how they did colors before.
Yeah. And lime, citric acid.
No way.
It's yellow now.
Crazy.
If we use more lime, it's getting more lighter.
Okay, this is so crazy.
Then the chalk powder, calcium carbonate.
It's getting pink. Orange. Oh, it's getting purple.
Wow.
So if you add more
My
powder,
God, so many reactions.
it's getting more lighter.
Oh wow.
But it's just a demo. After this, there are some few processes.
Yeah.
We have to boil this color and we just have to keep to dry. It takes 2.5 to 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Then it get thicker. Then we use to paint. We don't add any other things.
Yeah.
And we can make the rest of the colors like a blue, green. Any of these colors we can make. So they are expert on this because they know the entire method because they pass down by their generation to generation. So they'll add some other material. They'll get the green, blue, any of these colors if possible from that single tree. So especially the natural colors we are using for those masks. Otherwise for wall hangers and furnitures, ornamental type things, craft things and all we're using. Especially for those masks, you know why? It's a Sri Lankan traditional mask. Okay, so in this tradition was in Sri Lanka for long years we are following. It's not depends on any religion. It's about the tradition and beliefs. Okay, anyone can use those masks. And if you visit any Sri Lankan homes, you can find those masks on the entrance or the living area or even bedrooms or business places and all will keep. And the spiritual ritual ceremonies we are using, and the traditional dancers are using those masks. And this is called cobra. The cobra mask for protection. It's protect you from some bad vibrations. Peacock. Peacock mask for peace, love, good luck, and happiness. And fire. The fire mask for friendship, harmony, and energy. And Garuda, eagle, for power and prosperity. The next one is Gara. The Gara mask against for bad spirits. Okay, it's protect you from some bad spirits. And the last one is medicine mask. The medicine mask for good health and long life. The both side there are small tiny phases you can see. So those phases, its significance 18 types of illnesses to be purified. Those illnesses.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we can enter the showroom so we can find the finished products and all.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest content. Want to dive deeper into this topic? Check out our other videos on the channel for more fascinating insights. And hey, if you found this video helpful, why not share it with your friends? Sharing is caring, after all. Don't miss out on any future uploads. Hit the notification bell to stay notified whenever we post new content. Remember, your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see next. We love hearing from you. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.